US. I need to figure out what it is that's actually the issue, because I thought it was just when I had loads of um tabs up, but I haven't got that many tabs up and it still keeps coming off. Um Columbus Day today. For me, I am in the UK, so I am still happy to trade, to be honest. I know there's obviously going to be lower volume in New York, but I like to trade London session. That's like kind of like my main session. What's EU doing? So EU, I actually I actually wanted to, oh no, EU was a sell. GU sell. And obviously I feel like these two instruments move quite well together. Putin, my thoughts on GU. So I'm actually looking for a sell. I'm just waiting for my 5 minute to actually give me real structure for my entry, and then I will probably enter a sell there. We've also crossed over, we've broken out of a 1 hour. Well, we haven't fully broken out yet until this 1 hour closes in 15 minutes. So we've got that 1 hour. Um, oh, I don't know why that's like that. That would probably be more like this. Yeah, so we've got this 1 hour time trend line that we've broken out of. God, it's just so laggy. 1 hour there. In a minute candle. Um, GU has weekly equal lows resting. Okay, let me have a look at the weekly time frame actually. I don't feel like we're at the weekly lows yet. Like we've kind of wicked into them, but this area here for me. So this zone here, sorry guys on TikTok, actually, you're not even going to be able to see it. We have wicked into it once. We did reject. I don't know. I'm still quite bearish for GU. Thank you so much for sharing the live. 2 seconds, guys. I'm just letting my dog out. He was crying to get out. But yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling very bearish still. So we're gonna just wait and see. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm looking at a few different things, to be honest. Thank you for the follows on TikTok there. I don't know what's been going on with my YouTube this morning, but I am really trying to stream the charts. I feel like it keeps coming on and off. I had a trade open Wednesday, didn't set a stop loss, reared GU all the way down. Oh, I love that. Um, yeah, I mean, I've always traded more like commodities like golds, silver, copper. I like to trade NQ, but GU and EU are like two things that I've started to want to trade more, and also USD JPY as well. Um, yeah, so actually, did we get? I'm not really gonna take this as a like a. We are very. Looks like that could be a breakout of 1 hour as well. So USD JPY, I'm quite bullish on. I feel GUEU are good to trade breakout. What about foot? don't know. Yeah, I'm quite bullish on USD JPY. Potential breakout on the 1 hour. Yeah, kind of. It just depends really. But yeah, I mean, we can't do anything anyway until we get some bullish structure, which we haven't got at the moment. So I'm in no rush. Taylor, thoughts on gold? I mean, gold always bullish. um, hey Richard. Oh, so it is working. I didn't know if it was actually working right now. It's just been a nightmare this morning. Like some days, like my OBS just plays up so bad. But with gold, so I'm waiting. I probably want to wait for the highs to be taken on the Asia highs to be taken, and we'll see if we just swipe them, sweep, or if we actually break out. So right now I haven't got. I'm not doing anything. Silver. So it took me out at break even for my 1 to 1 there. To be fair, I could have actually re-entered. It's too late now because oh shit, I really should have re-entered. That would have been pretty much the same. That would have been my entry there. Yeah. Interesting. But yeah, let's see if this actually hits the 1 to 2. Like I said, it's too late to actually enter now. It took me out at 1 to 1 originally, but this is how I would trade using the highs or the lows of Asia. I'm literally just reacting once we get to them. So whether we break out of them, whether we just sweep the highs and we reverse, that's all I'm waiting for right now. Like I said, this is just we entered. We can't enter now because it would just be too late because we would want to go break even at a 1 to 1. But yeah, be interesting to see where this goes now. USD JPY bullish, but we still haven't got bullish structure on the 5 minute. GU, I am bearish. Looks like we are breaking structure now. I don't know. I don't know if I'm. Am I happy to enter? Because we broke here. Yeah, I want to enter a GU sell. Where's that? GU. $5 minute. Okay, I've entered a sell for GU now. Just going to just set my stop loss and take profit. So I'm just gonna aim for a 1 to 2. That's what I like to do. 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. It's meant to be there. There we go. Yeah, so I'm not currently looking at GJ. I'm just looking at UJ currently. Sells on GU. I mean, the less riskier thing to do would probably have been wait for the lows to be broken on the 15 minute, but I'm gonna go with the 5 minute as my entry. Give it a little bit of room. See what NQ's doing. Still haven't got a low yet, so I'm still just waiting for a low to be created on NQ, and then I want to enter a buy. Nothing on EU yet. Already took my sell from this morning, but didn't stay in. Um, but yeah, we're just gonna have to wait. Thank you so much, Zach. Why are you gambling on live? Um, because I want to. I don't know why you even care. So weird. You people are just so strange. Um, yes, GU sales from here. I am in a sale now on GU. But yeah, just sharing what I've been looking at this morning, guys. That's literally it. Missed my silver entry. It's like I said, we could have re-entered and we would nearly be at a 1-to-1. Um, that would have just, well, no, nearly at a 1-to-1 for silver, but I didn't actually manage to enter there. But yeah, so just in one open position, which is just a GU sell. Taken. Oh, amazing. How did you do on the slump? Are you talking about the crypto dump? I don't trade crypto, so it didn't really affect me. Okay, so that silver position that I said that I wanted to take, we've just hit the 1-to-1 there. So the original position took me out at break even. We hit 1-to-1. Then we could have re-entered, but I missed that entry. Let's see if it hits the 1-to-2, because that would have been my goal. And then I can just collect the data on the system that I'm using. So yeah, like I said, I like to just use basically trade off liquidity pools, just wait for reaction once we get to them. And because I like to trade the Asia session, no, not the Asia session, sorry, the London session, what I'm using is the Asia highs or the Asia lows. And also I do trade trendline breakouts, but only on the higher time frames. So yeah, perfect. So the gold would have just hit as well. Um, let's see what we're in profit on GU. We can go break even at 1-to-1, I think. But obviously, like I said, my goal will be the 1-to-2 sell on GU. And then that would, like, I'm happy with that. That would have been three trades for me this, like, since I've been trading this morning, all hitting 1-to-2s. So I'm happy with that. Um, so my stop loss, yeah, just above the 5 minute highs for GU. Just above the 5 minute highs. So let's hope that we get a bit of a push down now. I've got to go. I'm gonna have to shoot in about 4 minutes. Once this closes, TikTok will kick me off because I got this stupid app which, um, from like 9 till 5, I've put like a timer on so that I'm not on my social media too much so I can focus. Uh, do you trade the engine breakout on the 4 hour? No. So literally all I trade is either a trendline breakout of a 4 hour or a daily or the 1 hour. Um, so very, very simple. We're literally just waiting for a breakout of a trend line, like a full on closure. But I need to make sure that it's not too far away from the trend line or the counter trend line, because that's basically like my stop loss or safety line, whatever you want to call it. So, some people are like, oh, it's just really risky, but there's certain things that I still need to see on the trend line breakouts. But for like more of like my day trading type of trades, like what I've been doing this morning. So this will be my third trade that I've taken. The other two have been a 1-to-2. To be fair, I did take one more, but we got taken out break even at 1-to-1. Now I'm back in another trade, um, which I'll go break even at 1-to-1, but we're aiming for a 1-to-2. And literally with that, all I'm doing is waiting for the highs or the lows to be taken on the Asia session. Because I'm using them as like my liquidity pools. and then reacting once that's happened. So if it's broken out, we're going to take a trade in that direction. If we literally just sweep the highs or the lows, then we're going to take the opposing, like going the opposite way. But yeah, so I'm just collecting data on that. Um, Thank you so much for the follows, guys. Do you know any good copy trade groups I can join in Thailand? Josh, um, I really don't recommend it, to be honest. In all honesty, like, you can drop me a message and we can definitely have a chat, because I do have, a lot of people I can recommend, but I just feel like with signals and copy trading, it's tough. It promotes a lot of emotion, and trading is all to do with your emotions. So I personally advise against it. But for anyone who wants to get into trading, please feel free to drop me a message. Let's connect, let's talk. I can just guide you um in like what I feel, or people who I feel. But yeah, I closed. Oh, amazing. Do you have a daily trade limit? Not massively. I literally just trade if my setup shows. Thank you so much. Hey guys. Oh, amazing. You've just passed your 50K account. That's incredible. What do you do now? Just continue. Continue and get a payout. Okay, so it's kicked me off. I knew that was gonna happen. Frozen, frozen, frozen. I knew it was gonna kick me off. I'm back, but I'm actually about to go. So I'm hoping that this has been like helpful for some people. Like I said, I'm literally just wanting to share my experience with you guys, testing out this system. Um, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. We're in the GU sales. I'm gonna love and leave you guys now, but I will be back on Wednesday. Same time on Wednesday. So Monday and Wednesdays, that is when I will be streaming for London Open. But yes, so